here's the big question. Why in the heck do I need to floss? You don't. It's fine. Just forget it. It's just really not worth it. No, that's not true. So, the reason why we floss is because as good as you are at brushing your teeth, there's some places that you're just going to miss. So we're going to have my handy dandy model here, okay? And, you know, you get a little toothbrush in here, and everything is perfectly to scale, obviously. But as you're brushing your teeth, even if you've got this great, amazing toothbrush, and it's getting in, you know, it's getting underneath the gums right here on the sides, what you can't reach is these areas in between the teeth. And it is just a fantastic place for plaque and bacteria to hang out and do their damage. And so when plaque and bacteria hangs out in the middle, you know, in that little gum area, right in between especially, right there, they sit there and they do their thing, and they release a whole bunch of acids and all sorts of toxins that really the gums of the bone despise. And so they start acting up and say, well, I hate that, and they stop doing their job, which is to hold the teeth into place. So the longer that that sits there and that bone and those gums just get irritated and stop doing their job, all of a sudden we start to get this little wiggle wobble, wiggle wobble, wiggle wobble, and eventually just get to the point where they just come out. So not a really good result if we're not taking care of those things. And you can see this is my little fantastic model of what it looks like with this stuff that kind of starts to develop on the teeth when we don't clean them off very well. This is just a model. This is not actual stuff. But when those gums and that bone that hold those teeth in there, when that starts to, you know, lose its function, you get teeth that kind of start to drop out of place. They wiggle, wobble, and just not a fantastic result, especially if we want to keep eating the things that we want to eat. Now, I mean, things happen. We lose teeth, and it is what it is. But if we want to take care of them as well as we can, get them to last as long as they can, that floss is just fantastic at getting in between there and cleaning up that plaque and the bacteria that are trying to do their damage. So, floss, yes, still is a necessary thing. As much as doctors hate to tell you that, it just is what it is. So, keep flossing. Floss like a boss.